Find the quadratic equation with leading coefficient of 1, whose roots are 8 plus 6i and 8 minus 6i. So these are answers. So we can write x equals 8 plus 6i and x equals 8 minus 6i. That gives us little equations that we can get a 0 on one side of. So x minus 8 minus 6i equals 0, x minus 8 plus 6i equals 0. I can go ahead and multiply these two together. So x minus 8 minus 6i times x minus 8 plus 6i equals 0. This is a quadratic equation whose answers are 8 plus 6i and 8 minus 6i. I'm going to simplify it by multiplying it out. So first I'll distribute this x through the other trinomial. That gives me x squared minus 8x plus 6xi. Now I'll distribute the negative 8 through. So I have minus 8x plus 64 minus 48i. And now I'll distribute the negative 6i through. So negative 6xi plus 48i minus 36i squared. And that all equals 0. We have a number of like terms we can combine here. Negative 8x and negative 8x, positive 6xi, negative 6xi, negative 48i, and positive 48i. That gives us x squared minus 16x plus 64 minus 36i squared. So minus 36 times negative 1. And that all equals 0. So we have x squared minus 16x plus 100 equals 0. So I squared equals negative 1. A regular I you would just leave. This is an equation. To have an equation you have to have an equal sign. And its leading coefficient is 1. We did not write a 1 there, but there is a 1 in front of the x squared. Whenever your answers are conjugates like this, 8 plus 6i and 8 minus 6i, same two terms with the opposite sign in the middle, by the time you get all done finding your equation, you will not have any i's in your answer. You'll just have real numbers.